How to increase max volume on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and head over to Sound and Haptics. Once you're in this page, in the ringtone and alerts, you have to increase this volume to the max. Once done, now once again scroll down and you'll see the option where it says volume limit. You need to click on it. Make sure to turn off this feature, limit maximum volume. Once you have toggled off, now you need to go back and head over to headphone safety. Make sure to turn off all of these options right over here. Once done, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.